My name is Faisal Saeed. I'm the general manager of this lovely hotel, Crowne Plaza, Adelaide, Mawson Lakes. Crowne Plaza, Mawson Lakes is the first premium hotel in Northern Adelaide. We've got 155 guest rooms here. It's a mixed-use development. From ground to level 3, we've got commercial and retail spaces. Hotel starts from level 4. As you walk in the lobby, you've got Aviator Bar, and then you walk through that, you come into Ember and Wine Restaurant, which is our signature restaurant. As you walk through, you come into this beautiful free function space, about 14 meters high. There's nothing like this in the whole of Adelaide. And then you go to our Show Heaven ballroom. That's 442 square meter, which can be converted into 3 spaces or 1 large ballroom.
For us out here in Mawson Lakes, we're the only premium venue north of Adelaide, and there really is a shortage of quality conferencing and events venues out this way as well. So we knew that we had to have an amazing product, but have something else that would really stand out for us, and a big part of that was the audiovisual technology that we went with.
When we spoke to Faisal mentioned that he wants the top-end audio-visual solution. So for the audio, we selected JBL to go with the whole entire property. For level 4 reception and lobby areas, we have CTR L16 JBL speakers. For the ballrooms and reception areas, we consist with CTR L18 CT speakers. For the elevators, we have CTR L24 CT speakers. For the outdoor restaurant reception areas, we have SLP14T outdoor speakers. For the restaurant lobby areas, we use CTR L65PT speakers. So overall total, we are using around 80 to 90 JBL speakers in this property.
CI Group was someone who actually understood the business objective and understood the importance of having technology that is going to just help us deliver our Crowne Plaza experience in the most seamless manner, incorporating the best technology that we have, which is not only good for now, but it's futuristic. And that's why we're very proud to work with them, because they've delivered a product where we can feel the difference in our overall guest experience, and that's in all the areas of the hotel.